Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee drinks at home, only way. Start by selecting fresh beans, measuring with a scale, and preheating equipment to the right temperature. Grind to the brew method, heat water to the ideal range, and prepare milk or alternative if needed. Follow specific recipes for espresso, pour over, and cold brew to achieve balanced flavor and texture for each drink. Pull a reliable espresso by dosing correctly, distributing grounds, and tamping with steady pressure. Lock the portafilter and start extraction immediately while timing it. Adjust grind size to hit the 25 to 30 second window and taste for bitterness or sourness. Steam milk to a creamy microfoam, polish the pitcher, and practice pouring simple designs to elevate espresso drinks into cafe quality. Prepare milk drinks by heating liquid to the right temperature and creating consistent microfoam for silkiness. Choose a milk type that complements espresso and practice stretching and texturing to control body. For cappuccinos, use denser foam and shorter pours, while lattes need longer milk integration. Adjust steam technique for plant milks to prevent separation and taste frequently to fine-tune temperature and texture to your preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.